Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. Just wanted to do another update on FuelCell. I made a video about FuelCell, looks like back on the 27th of December. I'll try to link that in the description. Go ahead and watch that one as well. There's some good information in it. Kind of dives into the FuelCell company a little bit deeper than what this video will. But anyway, I just had a couple updates here, and as you can see in this account, I only have 5 shares. My cost basis is $7.92, and if you don't know what this company is, it develops environmentally responsible distributed baseload power solutions through proprietary molten carbonate fuel cell technology. It develops turnkey distributed power generation solutions and provides comprehensive services for the life of the power plant. And feel free to go ahead and pause it and read the rest for yourself. Like I said, my other video goes a little bit deeper into the product, just to keep the video short. Go ahead and pause it, but it does have over a $5.45 billion market cap, been around since 1969. Some pretty decent volume. I haven't traded it, I've just bought it, as you can see, and not the greatest of ratings. It does have some competition that we'll go over. Looks like I bought mine back in December, and looks like I even traded it at one time here. That was probably a mistake, but that's how my channel got the name Falling Forward instead of Falling Backwards. So let's see, about 20 shares at $3.03. Bought some more at $2.90 and sold them all at $3, and that was just last August. Whoops, that was a mistake. So anyway, some YouTubers out there that have bought shares don't show you their mistakes. I tend to do, because nobody's. But as you can see here, Plug Power, BLNK is kind of some of their competition. We'll kind of dive into that here, but sold them at $3.03. That was 4 or 5 months ago. So again, that was kind of a mistake, but we all learn as we go forward. So just some quick information. I was going to do a video on this here a while back and got kind of tied up with the EV cars and some other stocks that I found, some penny stocks. We're just going like crazy, and I was trying to stay on top of those, so FuelCell got kind of pushed behind. Looks like it might be kind of on the dip here. It's looks like it had a run up and kind of coming back down, but it's been kind of trading kind of sideways ever since then, so don't know if I'll be picking up any more or not. We will wait and see. But will FuelCell, Plug Power, or BLNK charging stock grow the most by 2022? This week we posed the following question related to clean energy stocks investors are backing in 2021. And as you look back to my other video, looks like it was titled, will FuelCell reach $20 by the end of 2021? Well, it's already almost there, so I would have to look back and see what the price was when I made that video. Let's see here, December 27th. So it was probably right in the $11, $12 range. So it was kind of a good projection. But anyway, back to the article here. 41% of traders and investors said shares of Plug Power. I also did a video on this one. I can't remember when I bought it. I bought Plug at $2. I think it was only like 10 shares or so. I was just, as the saying goes, sticking in the big toe and just kind of seeing before I totally got wet on it. But this one is just kind of ran up, and it might even, no, it doesn't list it there. We can look it up towards the end of the article. Plug Power provides hydrogen fuel cell turnkey solutions for the electric mobility and stationary power markets in North America and Europe. The company garnered an abundance of attention from investors in 2020 for its Gen Drive system. And like I said, I've made a couple plug power videos. You can watch those as well. I'll try to link all those together. Hydrogen fueled cell PEM fuel cell system that provides power to material handling electric vehicles. So I think all of these are good plays. Some are just better than others, and you'll have to do your own due diligence and figure out. I'm just bringing some ideas your way, and again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. I'm just trying to bring some of the best stocks your way and some ideas, and so we can all build our community and talk about stocks here together. Meanwhile, 36% are backing FuelCell stock to experience the greatest percentage gain by the end of the year. So again, one to watch throughout the year. Actually, I would be watching all three of them, but FuelCell designs, manufactures, sells, installs, operates, and services fuel cell products, which efficiently convert chemical energy and fuels into electricity through a series of chemical reactions. So very cool stuff here. Many respondents suggested the Biden administration embrace of clean energy will provide favorable business conditions for a fuel cell in the coming years, providing strength to the electric vehicle. And as you follow my channel, you know I'm into NIO, Tesla, Xpeng, Li Auto, Workhorse, list goes on. You can find all those in my library. Respondents were overall mixed on investing in Blink charging, receiving 23% of investors' support. In sympathy with the rise in popularity in EV stocks, Blink received attention throughout 2020 for its thousands of EV chargers deployed across the United States at airports, car dealers, hospitals, hotels, parks, recreation areas, restaurants, retailers, schools, and universities. So you can see they kind of cover everything. And some additional information here. FuelCell pulls back in Q4 results. Plug Power moves in sympathy. And that's just kind of in regards to any other sector out there. When Visa and MasterCard do the same thing, American Express, Discover, and Target and Walmart do that, as well as Amazon. So they all kind of play, if you want to call it a game, but they just kind of work off of one another. FuelCell Energy shares opened Thursday session sharply lower following the release of its fourth quarter results before mounting a recovery. Sympathy moves were seen in the most alternative energy stocks, including Plug Power, Bloom Energy Corp, and Ballard Power Systems. And these are all ones that I don't have. Like I said, I have Plug. There you can see it's at $65. And one of my accounts, my cost basis is $2. I think it's up over like 1,000%, but not to brag too much. I think it's only like 10 shares, but still, I'll take it. But should have bought more when it was $2 if I'd have known what it was going to do today. But we can't see into the future. We can only be optimistic and speculate and so on about the future. But FuelCell reported Thursday ahead of the market open with fourth quarter revenue at $16.99 million, up 54% year over year. And the way it's going, I mean, it could do another 50% this year. We will wait and see, but again, just speculating. Service and license revenue climbed 623% to $5.4 million, and advanced technology contract revenues rose 48% to $6.4 million, while generation revenue slid 6% to $5.1 million. And you can go ahead and pause and read the rest there yourself, just to keep the video short. It just kind of goes into earnings, and so I think these are all ones to watch. Here's all the tickers: BE, BLDP, FuelCell, Plug, price action. So it shows shares were up 3.76%, Bloom Energy up 1.81%, Ballard up 2.09%, and plug power up 3.5. So I think they're all good plays. Here on Yahoo Finance, you can kind of see what FuelCell's doing for the day. It still shows it's kind of bearish. Let's see what tip ranks shows it as a hold. Projected at 1025, which we're almost already double that. If it keeps going, it could double that, so I don't agree with these ratings. We can check plug while we're here. Sorry about the connection here. Plug power is showing a strong buy at $49 and high of 85, low of 21. So you'll just have to do your own due diligence and see which one of these you like the best. FuelCell, plug, BLNK. If you follow my channel, you probably figured out I kind of like to diversify and, like I say, stick my big toe or just the tip. Some people say on FuelCell, plug, and BLNK, I think I have a partial share, or maybe I'm thinking of something else here in Robinhood. But back to Robinhood, if you don't have money for a full share of like a plug per se, you can buy it in a Robinhood portfolio and do partial shares. So just throwing that out there. If you don't have Robinhood or looking for a different platform, I have several links in the description. Feel free to use those, and you'll get a stock, I'll get a stock. Helps support the channel, and that's another way you can make some instant money. I believe you get a also on Webull, you can get some stock there, and after you make a $100 deposit, you can get a couple more shares. So what's wrong with free money? I mean, get the stock and sell them if you want, so you can do that, but each to his own. But that's it for FuelCell and BLNK and plug power today, and I'll probably be making some more of these, as I'm sure they will all be going up and increasing in price. And just wanted to make an updated video, and check out my other videos. I'll leave those in the description. If you haven't hit that like button yet, go ahead and hit that. Get energized and get up and hit that button, annihilate it, smash it, drop an elbow on it. It's a snow day here, so I'm stuck inside today. Didn't get to go to work, so I'm here working, making videos, which is actually my passion. So be watching for some more videos coming out today. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I've had a lot of great growth, as well as hitting that bell so you're notified when the next videos drop. And go ahead and check out my other videos in the library. That would really help out the channel as well. Again, I thank you for all the support. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.